بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to science class. Open your book page 18. So today we will do exercise of unit 2. Question number 1 is choose the correct answer. Number 1, what is a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? These are options. Number A, eating small amounts of healthy food, eating the right amounts of healthy food, eating large amounts of healthy food, eating lots of sugar and fats. So the correct option is B, eating the right amounts of healthy food. Number 2, what do we need to stay healthy? Options are healthy food, plenty of exercise, fresh air, and all of these. So the correct option is all of these. To stay healthy, we need healthy food, plenty of exercise, and fresh air. Number 3, why should we never run with sharp instruments? Options are they are too heavy, someone else might need them, they could cut us, never makes you tired. So the correct option is they could cut us. Number 4, what is the right thing to do in the playground? Options are make sure you get to go first, play roughly, look out for younger children, ignore others. The correct option is C, look out for younger children. Fifth one is in a balanced diet, which two types of food should you eat the most of? Options are fats, fish and meat, sugar, fats and eggs, grains, fruits and vegetables, milk, meat and fish. The correct option is C, grains, fruits and vegetables. Now question number 3 is, all these things are useful. If they are not used properly, they can harm you. Try to find out what they are. These are jumble words and you will write here the correct spelling. So this is medicine, matches, knives, knife, scissors and fireworks. Now question number 4 is find the odd one out in each list. Explain your choice. Chicken, lamb, beef, potatoes, salmon and cod. So potato is a odd one. Second one is lettuce, spinach, cabbage, cheese, aubergine, okra. Aubergine, bangan, okra, bendi. So the odd one is cheese. These all are vegetables except cheese. So the odd one is cheese. Milk, yogurt, butter, cheese, bread, ice cream. So the odd one is bread. Apple. The fourth one is apples, oranges, apricots, corn, plums and mangoes. The odd one is corn. All these are fruits except this one. Okay students, take care and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.